Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a watermark transparent or change watermark opacity using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select this watermark option. Here you will find Add option. Select Add and select this text watermark and type here your watermark name. I'll type here logo and say this, and here you can see watermark style is a watermark font size you can increase and see this watermark color also you can see this color here, and this is I'll rotate this watermark, and this is watermark opacity you can increase or decrease. First I'll increase this watermark 80% scale relative. Now change watermark opacity and make it transparent and see this again says the watermark color this one and see this. Now finally select OK and select page range option and see this transparent watermark now apply all of these pages. Now finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.